If you need to recover access to your Namecheap account, or you just want to make sure you have your backup codes saved before you need them, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll show you exactly how to get your Namecheap backup code, where to find it, and how to save it safely so you don't get locked out later. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile settings. From there, go to Profile and then click on Security. This is where Namecheap keeps your login and account protection settings. On the Security page, scroll until you find the Access section. In that section, you'll see Two-Factor Authentication. Next to it, click Manage. This will open the settings for your 2FA options. Click Show Backup Codes next to Backup Codes. Enter your Namecheap password. After you enter your password and continue, your backup codes will be displayed on the screen. These codes are extremely important because they can help you regain access to your account if you lose your authentication device or cannot receive your 2FA code. Once the backup codes appear, take a moment to save them properly. You can click Print if you want a physical copy, or click Copy if you want to store them in a secure password manager or encrypted notes app. Make sure you keep them somewhere safe and private, because anyone who has access to those codes could potentially use them to access your account. It's also a good idea to store them in more than one secure place, just in case you lose one copy. And that's it. You now know how to get your Namecheap backup code and save it for future account recovery. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.